So your girl has gone natural. I'm honestly shocked right now because I haven't seen my hair like natural in probably like 20 plus years. Okay, I got a relaxer when I was like 10 years old, so this natural kinky curl here, this is the first time I'm ever trying it, and I'm doing this for y'all because I just want to show some variety in regards to the headband mix that are now on the market. So this is a headband wig that was sent to me from the team over at MSFAN here on Amazon. I'll go ahead and put a screenshot right here so we can run through the specs real quick. Now this is a kinky curly human hair wig, you know, no lace front, really super easy. You just throw it on and go. Y'all know those are my favorite types of wigs. This unit is really affordable. This particular one is 150% density, and they say that it is 14 inches. So y'all already know how it goes with curly hair, but this is 14 inches, I guess, stretched, yeah. But y'all see in the preview of when I just got the hair how it looks out of the package. It's really coily. You can choose to wear it like that or just to minimally kind of fluff out the curls. I went ahead and I combed her out completely so that I literally have a afro puff situation going on. But if you don't want an afro, all you have to do is really just do not brush out the curls, just finger comb it and you will get a different look. With regards to the cost of this unit, you can pick this baby up right now if you want this same 14 inch for $82. I already showed the construction of the wig before, but you know, just again, if you weren't looking, it has a comb in the back, 2 combs at the side, and a comb at the top of your head right here that you can use to secure the wig from sliding back. I do suggest, however, instead of using your combs, to get a wig grip. That's the brown thing that I have underneath here. It prevents the wig from sliding back. It's like the best invention ever, and combs normally give me a headache, so I'm so glad that I got me a wig grip because I could not stand when I have my wigs on and my head is hurting me the whole day. But this is a really quick and go easy hairstyle for persons who want to try out that natural look. You may have a relaxer like me for years and you're not sure how your natural hair will look on you. This is something that you can add to your collection for just $80 or even less than $80 if you want a shorter length to switch up things. And it has a lot of bounce. Do expect that you're gonna get some shedding with this unit, okay? Like, this is curly hair, especially if you're gonna be like brushing her a lot, it's going to shed. It's not gonna shed like when you're like walking around day to day, but once you are combing it or brushing it, you are gonna see some shedding. But this is real quick, real easy. So if you want to go and get a unit like this, you can go and check out MSFAN's hair. I will go ahead and leave a link to this wig in the description bar below. Don't forget to check out my Amazon storefront that has all of my wigs that I review here on my channel. Once I'm able to find them on Amazon, I have a complete storefront to make things super easy for you guys. Of course, those are affiliate links, so you know your girl gets a little cha-ching when you use my link. You don't have to, but I would really appreciate it because it does help out the channel and help me to be able to put these videos to you on a consistent basis. With that being said, I love you guys so much for the support, and I really hope that you hit the like button before you click out of this video. Subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed, honey. What are you waiting for? Let's be friends. Subscribe, leave a comment for me in the comment section if you made it to the end of this video. I want you to leave a red heart so that I can know that you watched the entire thing. And until next time, love you guys. See you in my next review. Bye.